And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today, since it's the season, you need to see one of these so that you can decorate your home. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can notify of next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 113.ca. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. So today we're looking at Divoom. Sent us another stuff here, and we're gonna unbox this today and show you what it could do. I actually have no idea what this is, so it's gonna be a surprise. I think some sort of decoration, so we're about to find out. Here we go. Boom! And today we're looking at the Pixoo Max. Look at that. Boom. Pixoo Max by Divoom. So today we're gonna unbox it and see what it could do. I think this would be cool for your YouTube channel, or maybe something to give you a little bit of character in the background and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we could do with this, and let me know what you think below if you like it or not. So here we go. I think this would be a really good gift for those of you who wants to think of gifts during the season. Put this on the side. Don't need that. Bluetooth powered. You'll be able to use your iPhone or whatever device you have to customize the pixels on the screen. So that's pretty good. Let's open this up. Here you go. Boom. Oh, that's nice. Pixoo Max right there. Let's put that on the side for now. Little box right there. Some stickers from Divoom. There you go. Some literature right here. Instruction manual. Let's put that on the side for now. Let's open this box up. See what's in here. There you go. So USB-C charger right there. And whatever this is. Let's open up the Pixoo Max. There we go. Let's put that on the side for now. And there you go. That is the Pixoo Max. Here you'll see on the back here is where you charge it. On the side there's a power button and the brightness button. Here's where you stop that little guy there, so it'll stand on the back just like that. Boom! Quick and easy, right? Let's power this up. Oh yeah, bud. There you go. Boom. So this device shows you a lot of pixels right there. You can customize it to whatever you want. They also have a lot of functions on their apps. So today we're going to show you that as well. So now we need to install the app. What you need to do is go take out the book that they gave us. Open up your phone and open up the camera button right there. So all we'll need to do is, now we need to install the app so that we can customize the pixels on the Pixoo Max. Take out the book that they gave us. In the front here, second page I believe, there's a QR code right there. You can scan that using your camera by doing that. There you go. Boom. And then we're gonna install DivPix. Now that it's all done, let's open it up. Boom. Let's go ahead and make an account. Once you're done registering, let's go ahead and log in to our account here. Once you've registered and logged in to DivPix, we're gonna need to add our device by pressing plus. Searching for the Bluetooth device. It's here, Pixoo Max. So there you go, right away it's all good to go. Now we're gonna try out if any of these will work. As you can see, we have selected the Pikachu, and now it's gonna be shown on the Pixoo Max. That's pretty good. So let's try maybe a Christmas season right now. So boom, just like that, right? Pretty good. You can add multiple, you can add different Different pixels, like I said, add it to whatever you want. That's pretty good. Unlimited supply as well, and there's a lot of developers and people that are making their own pixels. You can make your own customized pixel as well if you'd like. There you go. Now let's look at the options that they have here. They have provided in the app. Here you could see you can design to whatever you want. As you can see, it's also real time. That's pretty cool. Let's just exit that. Animations as well. You can add your own pixel right here, and then press check mark, and then add another one. Basically, maybe a different color right there. There you go. Check, and then you can press play by doing that. There you go. So like I said earlier, if you are very creative, you can also put motion picture right there. Basically do it by pixel by pixel. There you go. There's also text editor where you can put this on your car and behind your car and show people to stop when you are stopping. You can do that as well. So basically you can write a text here and go stop or slow down, so that people don't speed up right behind you. You could put that as well. Hit play. Now you'll have the sign that says slow down right there. You can also speed up, choose different colors, choose different backgrounds as well. Do whatever you like. And here you could see other people making their own as well, like fireplace, like that. Now let's do pixel coloring. Here you will just be able to color in a bunch of different pixels. Here there's a lot of customized modes. So for example, if we want to use this globe right here, we can select which one we want to color, and then you'll be able to color it in just like that. There's also task mode where you can get achievements. You can win a bunch of stuff. So for example, we wanted to try the Chicago Bulls logo right there. You just color that in and whatnot, like that. And then once you're done, you'll be able to have a bunch of medals. The other thing too is they have music. Basically, they have a built-in radio on here, so that's pretty good. There's also a DJ mixer where you can mix different sounds together. That's pretty good. There's also voice memo. There's also chat, alarms, sleep time planner. There's a bunch of games as well that you can play. You can use this as a screen as well for the games. There's sleep time where you can use this as an alarm. There's also channels right here where you can change the style as well. So for example, you wanted to use a different type of clock right there. Or you can add your own. There you go. Upload to device. There you go. As a YouTube channel, this is really cool as well to show a little bit of a message that you want. So what you could do is search here. You can go ahead and search subscribe, right? For those of you who haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do that. So now if you put subscribe, people will see your message. And just like that, it'll show up right there, showing people that you should subscribe. You should hit that like button as well. You can put that right here. Pretty good. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on Pixel Max. I recommend this for a lot of people who are looking for an alarm clock and you don't want just a normal alarm clock, and you want to use this as a display. You can use this for your car as well to tell people to not tailgate or slow down right behind you. It's like the passive aggressive style of driving, right? If you have this as a message behind your car, so it's pretty good. You can also put this on a storefront where you can put welcome, or you say that you're open, or maybe if you have a sale going on, you can put that as well. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well if I was able to help you. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.